Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we are still looking at our big impulse toward the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are currently still in the wave 5, which is very close, of course, to be finished regarding this massive bull run. And of course, in this wave 5, we are looking at probably at a finished ABC for a wave 4 here. If that is the case scenario, we're looking at triple 1, 2s, 3, 4, 5, and then a 4, 5, and again one more 4, 5 to finish this bull run and finishing this wave 5. As you can see in the channels, we are still inside the acceleration channel. We are in the mid lower part, and we are looking, of course, to break this lower part again toward the upside for a little bit more higher prices. As you can see here, we have our second bullish, probably bullish movement toward the upside, where we are looking, of course, for still higher prices, probably as a double 1, 2. However, this might be invalidated soon, and we might still move in a bearish scenario, which we, of course, saw on the 1-hour chart in the previous videos. And of course, I'm gonna re-explain this again on the 1-hour chart. Now, if we take a look, of course, on the daily, as you can see, we are in those triple 1, 2s and 3 probably finished in the orange scenario. And we probably are still looking here for a longer wave 4 in the orange, of course. And that is the case where, of course, you invalidate the bearish scenarios. Well, this is an old one, so I'm gonna remove it. It's not available anymore. What we are looking probably here is a wave 1 and your wave 2 as, of course, expanding flat toward the downside and moving for higher prices in case we are bullish from here. In case we are bearish, of course, we are still looking at a correction here, and probably, of course, A, B, and a C, where you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a deep wave 4, as we said in the bearish scenario, 1.618. Now, if you take a look, of course, on the 1-hour chart here, on the 1-hour chart, we can see that, of course, this wave 2 is still expanding, where we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an expanding diagonal for your wave 5 probably here, and then A, B, and a C toward the downside, or W, X, and Y. We have hit so far the 0.38 fib level. We did not reach yet the 0.61 fib time, which is required for wave 2 based on this time for your wave 1 here. Of course, we can still range a little bit more to reach the perfect time, and of course the perfect maybe or better fib level, probably the 70,500 for, of course, 0.5, and start to move toward the upside. Yesterday, I have mentioned that this wave C might unfold in several ways. Of course, it can be, of course, an ending diagonal in that shape, or it can be a W, X, and a Y, of course, with a zigzag. And because of this wave looks very choppy and not very, very impulsive, of course, we're looking for lower prices, but it's going like slowly toward the downside. We are looking, of course, for probably a slow impulse, I would say, but not really looking like an impulse, but still can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside here, as you can see. Now, if we take the volume, maybe it can give us a little bit more information. As you can see, the highest amount of volume is in this candle, which is your wave 3, probably, meaning that this might be your 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, 5 probably. So one more leg toward the downside is very, very probable to reach at least the 0.38 again, and take it from there. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen at this level. If we start to see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, meaning, of course, this is your bullish scenario might be unfolding. If, of course, we don't get this signal, therefore, of course, we're gonna seek for another level toward the downside, around the 97,400 and then start to move towards the upside again with the signals, the same one. So basically, I suggest, of course, we still need one more leg toward the downside. It can be, of course, short or it can be longer. However, based on the volume here with the high amount given, of course, in this leg, I would say that this is your wave 3, probably finish as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're looking, of course, for one more leg, but normally it should be shorter. And that because your wave 1 looks longer than your wave 3, meaning your wave 5 should be, of course, shorter than your wave 3. And I don't know if that will allow us to take, of course, the low here. I mean, we can know this. So if we take this part as a wave 3, but the problem is, yeah, we might move toward the downside without yet clear wave 4. So it might still this wave 3 unfolding. That's why I cannot really say if this is finished as wave 3 because it still can expanding. It can be a wave 3, very long wave 3 because I don't see yet a wave 4. I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably, and then you need wave 4 and then moving toward the downside, but we did not get it yet. So I would say so far, if we have finished like this, I would say, okay, it's a wave 5 that it can be short or it can be an expanded wave 3. Again, we need to reach this level definitely, of course, to say if we are impulsive or still looking for lower prices. So taking a look, of course, at KGT indicator in this case, because of course we are, we're facing a little bit difficulties here to see what's gonna happen with this move toward the downside. Now, if you take a look, a little bit weaker signal to get a little bit more, as you can see, the signals here has been moving towards the downside, while of course after this move towards the downside, we might start to see some bullish divergence here as well, which it can start to lead us for higher prices, but we still need, of course, to check, of course, for Elliott Wave, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, the most, of course, secure signal for bullish scenarios. However, the CVD line is moving toward the downside, and we start to get, of course, some bullish signal probably in case, of course, if we don't take this low. If we take this low, therefore, this bullish divergence will be, of course, invalidated. So we need to wait and see. Of course, we're still moving toward the downside right now, and of course, we might hit, of course, this low, which is 0.38 fib level. So I'm gonna remove also this invalidation points. It's already finished. I would say let's wait, of course, for 0.38 and then we take it from there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.